Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's update our outlook on the gold market. So guys, as you understand, our analysis here, the technical analysis that we could make will be purely theoretical. You know about what I'm talking about. So the bumping on the round in the weekend gives no chances for current technical picture to provide any information. Obviously in a few hours the picture will change drastically, and all things that we will tell right now hardly will be applicable in the nearest time. Anyway, what actually could follow? So, by my opinion, the major driving factor for the gold, and in general for all markets, will be Iranian response. If Iran will answer, how it will answer, and the major question is whether they will strike the United States military bases in the region. If this will happen, and I would say that the probability for that are above the zero, due to the support of Iran by the countries such as Pakistan, China. So Russia also has agreement with the support, but they have no obligation to provide the defense participation. So, but they could provide also some military tools or something, maybe even ammunition, I do not know. Well, and that could give Iran some durability, some support to enter in the conflict. Yemen already said that they will take part in the war. Some pro-Iranian groups in Iraq also said that they are stepping in. So situation slowly but going out of the control. And this increasing of the term of this conflict works against Israel. So Israel was counting on a fast victory. It hasn't happened. Recent bombing has bring no real damage to Iranian nuclear facilities in the Fordo. It's also a factor that inspired Iran. So I would say that the response will be the major factor for the markets. If we will see a hard response, stock market probably will collapse. And in the first few sessions, we will see drop of the gold as well. Why? Because this is a common thing. We saw it in the last year when the Japan doomsday has happened. Investors running for liquidity. They need cash to fulfill the margin obligations, to close the position, fulfill margins. So that way they will selling everything that they could, including gold. But that will last for a few sessions when this panic will be over. Then gold will get the positions that it deserves. So it might be a fast response of the gold market. In general, overall situation definitely stands in favor of the gold. If Iran will not respond at all to the United States, yes, it could bombing Israel and so on. But if no strike on United States bases or ships will happen, its probably reaction will be moderate. Hardly we will see any collapse on the stock market. In the gold, we could get some moderate upside action. By the technical picture, we can't count on a big upside breakout because market is overbought on the monthly chart and actually on the higher time frames as well. But market could challenge the 35 top and showing some wash rinse around it. It also might happen. So that's actually what to expect. Since none of these factors stands under our control, and we could predict nothing. As I said, we could just in general discuss what's going on. But in our report, we also have touched some other topics that's really important for the gold market as well. They're more economical, not only political, but mostly economical. And obviously, overall economical and geopolitical affairs trend stands on a deterioration and escalation. And it means that in the long-term run, it is too early to actually change the view on the gold market. So situation gradually is actually falling apart in many places in the world. So that's actually but definitely supports the demand for the gold market. In lower time frames, speaking on the hourly chart, for instance, you could see that the market trying to show another attempt to reverse the situation. And if we wouldn't have the weekend, I said, well, guys, this is good background. Let's try to take it based on recent events that had happened. But unfortunately, the market is closed. We can't do anything. And with the higher chances on Monday, I open this already will be useless, because we will get absolutely different technical picture when we start from the beginning, building the new strategy. So from that standpoint of view, as I said, we mostly could talk only theoretically about the current situation. The first moment where we'll be able to make some analysis will be on Tuesday morning, when we will take a look at what has happened in the first hours after the bombing, and actually see what the reaction will fall on the market. So that into was what we have from the fall time frame chart. I also see nothing really interesting. So this is free drive still holds, but difficult to say whether it's work or not. The one thing that might be useful currently is a target. So since the ABCD is still valid, the OP is 34.90 approximately. That's the point that is actually when the market could start gravitating. So this is nearest target, and it stands below the previous top. So it's absolutely achievable with the recent news background. So nothing towards what we could say on the